Hello friends, welcome to the Pain in the Cocktail Hour recipe for the Utterly Violet. I must tell you right away that this is an undrinkable drink and it will cause you pain. A pain in your head, a pain in your stomach, and a pain in your soul. The important thing to remember is that it has lots of steps and lots of ingredients, and none of them add up to anything that's even remotely drinkable. I wanted to make this drink as an experiment in not only creating my own craft cocktail, but also in creating a lie to the good people of the internet that A, I know what I'm doing, and B, my life is something enviable. Because isn't that what these recipe videos are all about? Letting people know, you, the good people of the internet, know that I have an enviable life and that I have time for such pursuits, inclination, and also ability to make it actually work and to create something that is covetable. Also, I think the mistake was using vermouth. I don't care what anyone says, don't ever use vermouth. And use tequila sparingly. And I don't even know what to say about lavender. It created a drink that was sort of piney and slightly bitter and pretty much encapsulates my entire personality. I drank only half of it, and then I drank a beer, because if you're really looking for a balm for your existential crisis, you probably shouldn't choke down the wretched concoction that gave you the existential crisis to begin with. Just have a beer. I think that's why beer was created, to soothe you. So, as a wrap-up, thank you for watching the Pain in the Cocktail Recipe Hour.